When fire strikes, the damage goes far beyond what you can see. Smoke, soot, and odor can spread through every part of your property, even into the air ducts and walls. At Safeway Restoration, we're a licensed and general contracting company with over a decade helping homeowners and businesses recover after fire and smoke damage. Our licensed and IICRC certified team understand what it takes to rebuild safely and correctly. We start with a full inspection to assess structural safety, smoke residue, and odor penetration. Using advanced cleaning and deodorization systems, we remove soot and the odor from surfaces, contents, and the air, restoring your property to a clean and safe environment. From debris removal to structural cleaning to complete reconstruction, we handle every step of the recovery process. We work directly with your insurance company or offer flexible payment options to make the process as simple and as stress-free as possible. Whether you're dealing with minor smoke damage or full property loss, call Safeway Restoration today. We'll handle the rest. Restoring property the safe way.